Sony just made one of the most creator-friendly mirrorless cameras even better. The ZV-E10 II is built for YouTubers, vloggers, and anyone who wants serious video quality without a serious learning curve. But does the full bundle actually make sense to buy? I tested everything. Here's my honest take. Link is in the description. Let's get into it. So first, what can this camera actually handle? YouTube and vlogging content is where it absolutely belongs, rated 9.5. Short-form content for Instagram and TikTok is a perfect fit at 9.2. Live streaming is solid at 8.8. Travel content creation rates 8.5. Is compact and light enough to bring anywhere. Professional photography sits at a 7.5. Capable, but this is a video-first camera, not a studio still shooter. Daily performance. The 4K video quality is genuinely impressive for the price, rated 9.0. Autofocus tracking is one of the best in this class. Real-time, eye and subject tracking works reliably, 9.2. The built-in image stabilization with the OSS2 lens combo scores 8.5. Battery life is the weakest link. You get around 440 shots or roughly 60 to 70 minutes of continuous video, rated 6.8. Connectivity through USB-C and Wi-Fi is smooth at 8.5. User experience. The flip screen for self-recording is a genuine win and earns a 9.5. Menu system is clean and beginner-friendly, 8.8. The 16-50mm kit lens covers everyday shooting well at 8.2. The included 128GB card and carrying case add real day 1 value. Bundle score 8.8. Overall build quality feels solid for the price at 8.5. Who is this for? YouTube and vlog creators. This is built for you, rated 9.8. Travel content creators rate it 9.2. Beginners upgrading from smartphone rate it 9.5. The learning curve is low. Photographers looking for a hybrid camera rate it 7.5. Professional video shooters looking for cinema specs should look elsewhere, 6.0. Final verdict. Video quality, 9.0. Autofocus, 9.2. Bundle value, 8.8. Battery life, 6.8. Overall score, 8.7 out of 10. That is a great rating. The Sony ZV-E10 II bundle is one of the best beginner creator setups you can buy right now. The battery life will frustrate you if you do long shoots. Carry a spare. But for daily content creation, this is the camera to get. Link is in the description. If this helped, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.